I have 2 doggies. And let's be honest, those yearly dental visits are quite expensive. I like to do stuff in between to keep the teeth clean, the breath fresh. Introducing Bernie's Charming Choppers. How cute is this bag? This is so cute. Adorable. These are the small ones. They support dogs 16 to 25 pounds, 30 in a package, love. And they are the cutest little toothbrushes. The texture actually works for cleaning while it helps keep the digestion moving, okay? There are no mystery ingredients in here. It is all natural. Things like sweet potato, pumpkin, mint, parsley, probiotics to keep that mouth and the gut healthy. My doggies, they treat these like a daily treat. They don't know they're getting a dental intervention. How cute is this? Easy routine, 1 a day, no mess, no stress, and no wrestling with your dog to try to brush his teeth. That is like the worst pain ever. It never works out for anybody. These are no artificial flavors or colors, just clean ingredients. And I'm happy to give them because I know that they are clean. So anyway, Bernie's Charming Choppers. If you want a daily chew that tastes amazing to dogs and helps with the breath and gives their digestion a little high five, Charming Choppers by Bernie's are absolutely worth adding to the lineup. This video is sponsored by Bernie's.